at this. Look at this. This is 3 kids. I'm just about to put a disclaimer out here. If you think that you about to see a lace front tutorial, you sadly mistaken. You might as well go ahead and find somebody else, because this ain't that. This is not that. What this will be though is how we gonna turn a situation into a life lesson, okay? Because I am all about trying to find the life lesson out of every situation, okay? Oh, by the way, my name is Toni. If you've been here before, you know that. If you're new here, okay, hey girl, hey, or hey, whatever the case, my name's Toni. So, y'all gonna get used to my craziness. Anyway, okay, so I called myself, like originally this video was supposed to be a lace front tutorial. That's actually what it was supposed to be. No. We had to change that. We had to change that real quick because, y'all, this was actually only my second time ever in life installing a lace front. And I'm about to give y'all some very embarrassing pictures. So do not come for me, because my makeup game was not what it was back then, okay? And that lace front install, that was my very first time. And so yeah, anyway, this was my second time doing an install. And I was gonna, gear it towards the beginners or whatever. But as we got through the process, I was like, you know what? Nope, scratch that, cut, clip. We doing something else. So this video is going to be how you can show up for yourself by putting yourself in uncomfortable situations, okay? So let me just backpack. Let me backtrack. Let me backtrack. Why was I so deathly afraid to do a lace front? Here is why. The very first time that I did a lace front install was in 2018, okay? And I was like, I watched all the YouTube girlies like showing me the methods and stuff. So I'm like, okay, I had it down pack, okay? And I'm one of those kind of people that if I see something, 1 or 2 times, I can pretty much figure it out. Like, I'm a very hands-on learner. I'm a very quick learner. So I had, I did the ball cap method, start, gluing everything down. In the middle of me trying to cut the damn lace off my forehead, I cut my hand, completely missed the lace and just sliced right through and cut my hand. So in the middle of my install, I had to go to the hospital because I cut my hand that deep that I had to go to the hospital, okay? So I get back, I try to complete the install. Here's the install right here. I'm gonna try to pop this picture up on this side. Here's the install, okay? By the time I got back to try to finish it out, the glue did not stay. So I done took my happy ass to Vegas with this half-laid wig, okay? By day 2 at the pool party, the wig was off, all right? The wig was gone, okay? Then I called myself trying to put the wig back on, and this is why I said I'm about to put a very embarrassing picture, so do not come for me. Do not come for me. I tried to put that damn wig back on my head. Do y'all see how crazy I look? Do y'all see how crazy I look, okay? I look all kinds of crazy. I have not tried to lay a lace front since 2018. I was like, nope, I'm not doing it. I'll do my, my sew-ins, some braids, my little slick back high bun ponytail that I like to do. So, as I am kind of coming into my season of change, and I'm really just wanting to just step all the way out of my comfort zone, okay? I'm like, you know what? Let's go ahead and try a lace front install. All right, so I got all my stuff and did all the same process like the girly show, and I'll probably put some video clips over here because, like I said, I got all the details, baby, okay? I got all the details because this was supposed to be a tutorial for all of my beginners out there, and I was gonna be like, this is what you do, sis. If you a beginner, I'm a beginner too. I'm out here with you, okay? Because everybody in the world ain't laid no, we ain't, because I'm talking way too fast. Lord, okay, I got and see. Okay, anyway, I was gonna have it together for us, okay, sis? I was like, I am going to do this for my sisters out there who ain't laid no lace front wig just yet. I was gonna do it for us, to show that if you truly are a beginner that you could do it too. I go through all the steps. I, bleach my knots, which I messed that royally up because I didn't use the strong enough developer that I should have. So yeah, that was that. I had to bleach it twice just to try to get the knots darker, blah, blah, blah. I get to laying the lace wig down. Baby, it was a whole, I'm not even gonna say it was a whole mess, okay? It was not a whole mess because, like I said, I'm no stranger to doing hair. I've done hair for years. Now, wigs, that just was not my forte, okay? It was not my forte. Then we come to the time to take the band off. Baby, when I say it was white as snow up under that lace, okay, do you hear me? I'm in the mirror last night. I'm like basically coloring the lace with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, trying to get it to blend in. And you know, I mean, it came out, for this to be my second time installing a wig, I think I did a pretty good job. I was in the middle of like the process and I was like, oh my gosh, like, why did I do this? I shouldn't have done it. And oh, I should have just paid somebody. But I'm glad I didn't. So here is why I said this video is not a tutorial at all. This video is more of a life lesson, okay? It's about showing up for yourself through putting yourself in uncomfortable situations. So think about a time, or let's not even go there. If you've been watching my channel here recently, you kind of have seen that I've taken a shift in direction, okay? I'm kind of doing more like how you can elevate your life and really progress in your life, hit your goals, and really just kind of bring more self-awareness to yourself and think about how you can transform and change your life, okay? Because baby, if you anything like me, I'm changing my life in the next 12 months. I am really trying to shift my mind and my thinking to be, you know, on that kind of frequency. What is the, they say diamonds are made under pressure. I can't remember the analogy here. Somebody help me out. Somebody help me out. I think they say that diamonds are made under pressure. And think about how your life has been recently, okay? You really want to draft in change into your life, but you've been doing the same thing. We have to get out of that. We have to get off that hamster wheel. We can't continue to do the same things that we've been doing in order to bring about change. So how do we bring about change? We have to put ourselves in some uncomfortable situations. Think of that as being the pressure on yourself that you need. You need to put yourself in that uncomfortable situation so that you can start to change, okay? When you're in those uncomfortable situations, it's going to be pressure. It's going to be like, oh my gosh, why did I even do this in the first place? You're going to be extremely frustrated. You're gonna be pissed. You're gonna be like, damn it, I should just give up. I'm gonna go back and do what I was doing. We gotta get out of that habit, okay? We can't fall back into the old habits that we were doing just because we feel as though we don't want to move with the change that is coming. Or am I saying that right? Not move with the change that's coming, but move with the pressure of what's going on to get to your change. That's what I'm trying to say. I've been seeing a lot here on TikTok recently, people making posts about, you know, you haven't changed because you have this fear of looking stupid, okay? Like, I mean, to me, I might think this lace would, you know, this lace front is laid for the gods or whatever. But to some of y'all might be like, girl, that lace front is trash. That's okay. I don't have a fear of looking stupid. Like, clearly, if y'all haven't been able to tell by now, I am a very carefree person, okay? I am very comfortable with myself. I am learning more and more every day to become even more comfortable with myself. I had extreme insecurities even up until about, I don't know, 3 years ago, but I fought through all of them. So that's why I am very comfortable with myself now, and that's why I have no fear of looking stupid. So the first thing that you have to do in order to like put yourself through that pressure machine to get to your change, you have to become very, very secure with who you are as a person. Fear of looking stupid should be non-existent, especially again, if you are trying to bring about total change into your life. So get over that hump first, and then start putting yourself in every uncomfortable situation imaginable, okay? If you're a blogger, but you're kind of scared about going in public and vlogging, baby, I'd be all in the store like, what's up, you know? What's up, crew? What's up, bestie? You know what I'm saying? Like, you just have to be able to put yourself in a situation where you like, this is me. This is me. I'm secure in who I am. I'm willing to look stupid, because to me, I don't look stupid. I'm just living life. I'm enjoying who I am. With this whole wig install and circling back to this, y'all, I did not want to do a lace front install on my hair, okay? Clearly, it took me 4 years, okay? 4 years to even work up enough courage to do it again, because for me, perfection was a huge part of who I was. If I didn't look perfect, I was like, no, I don't want to wear it. I don't want to do it. I'm a curvaceous girl, okay? Look at this, okay? My pants is pulled up, but do you see this? Okay, do you see this? I got baby Pudge in there. That's 3 kids, right? This is 3 kids, okay? So again, I had this thing about looking perfect. So a lot of the times I would edit out my stomach because I'm like, I don't want people to see I got a pudge. I had to accept not being perfect, and putting this wig install on my hair was me accepting, like, look, either it's gonna come out decent or it's gonna come out, a little messed up, but either way, nonetheless, I tried, okay? I tried. And that's what we have to get ourselves to understand, is as long as we are trying our very best, even during the process of putting yourself in difficult situations, try. That's literally all you have to do. And the more that you put yourself in those difficult situations, guess what? They become easy situations. They become easier. There would be no circumstance that can get in your forefront that's going to get you off track. You'll be able to go straight through all of them because you have put yourself in that pressure, okay? That pressure, that change. This is the change pressure cooker right here. You've put yourself through it. That way you can get to that drastic change that you want so much in your life. Showing up for yourself is all about making that conscious, intentional decision. And if you have been watching me, you know that we have been talking about that a lot lately, because without intentionality, you cannot do any kind of change in your life. You can't progress that way. Everything that you do has to be intentional. Every single decision, every single thought that you have every single day has to be a conscious, intentional thought or a conscious, intentional decision. By doing that and by putting yourself through these uncomfortable situations, it forces you to change. It forces you to become more comfortable with going through these different circumstances. It forces you to be secure in who you are and really just let go. I mean, I said in another one of my videos, like, if y'all go back and watch some of my earlier videos, you could tell I wanted everything to be perfect. I wanted everything to, to look a certain kind of way. Like, everybody ain't got the aesthetically pleasing, videography and stuff like that. Now, don't get me wrong, I can definitely make an aesthetically pleasing video, but I just wanted everything to be perfect, and that's not who I am. I am a beautiful disaster, okay? I accept that about myself. Sometimes I want to be the pretty girl that's, all glammed up. Sometimes I want to be in my husband's basketball shorts and his t-shirt, with my hair pulled back in a ponytail, eating a bag of popcorn on the couch. Like, I don't have to be perfect all the time. Your circumstances don't have to be perfect all the time, but what has to show up within that, circumstance is that you're trying, okay? That is how you show up for yourself, is by trying. There's nothing else to it outside of just make the conscious decision to show up for yourself through putting yourself in these uncomfortable situations so that you can force yourself to bring about that change. That's why we talked about showing up for ourselves and putting ourselves in those uncomfortable situations. But what y'all think? Like, how y'all think I did on my hair? Okay, I think I did all right. Like, I got my little swoop, you know what I'm saying? Like the swoop, boop, boop. I got that going on. I tried to wind curl it, so y'all tell me how I did. I think I did okay for that to be my second time installing. So, catch me in a year or so, baby, it's gonna be laid, okay? It's gonna be laid. Well, I'm going to have a hell of a time editing this footage. Anyway, if you have not already, and I don't know what you waiting on, because if you done got to this part of the video, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well so you can see when the videos is going up on my channel, okay? Which are usually Sundays and Wednesdays. That's what I'm trying to stick to, okay? So if y'all want to rock with your girl, I'll be here every Sunday and Wednesday, okay? I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. And seriously, like, all craziness and silliness aside, I really hope that you gained something from this video, okay? Because at the end of the day, again, I am here to encourage you. I am here to really just say, get out of your comfort zone. We can change our lives together, okay? Because I mean it when I say 2023, baby, I'm stepping on next. It's my year. I'm claiming it, you know? So by the time we get to this point next year, if the Lord God allows me to see, if we make it to this time next year, oh baby, it's gonna be completely different. And I want that for you as well, not just me. So everything is going to be about change. Everything is going to be about changing our lives and being the best version of ourselves and elevating, okay? That's what it's all about. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. So until next time, bye, sugar.